Here I have LG K8 2017, and today I'm going to show you how to set up screen lock on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the to the display section, then go to the lock screen, select screen lock, then you can select any of these lock screen methods. I'll just select pin. No thanks. Next. Then you have to enter your pin, then you have to confirm it. Then you can select if you want to show notifications on the locked screen. You can show all notifications, you can hide sensitive content, or you just don't show any notifications at all. And that's how you can set up screen lock. So as you can see, now nobody except me who knows my PIN code can unlock my device. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.